What's up, YouTube? This is Cody O'Connor here, and we're playing The Legend of Zelda Skyward Sword. So, yeah. And with me, the cameraman.
For his videos.
Zexel. Wait, no.
You could call me Yumo, Zexel, Yuya, Colt 45, doesn't matter which one you want to call me, so go ahead and choose. But
I don't really care.
But I'm here with Cody A151. I'm his cameraman for his videos. So yeah. See if I could do something about it. There we go. And since I got a new camera, the videos might be longer now, so yeah, let's just have fun and make videos. Right, Cody? So what are we going to talk about? Oh yeah, Cody's actually making his own Yu-Gi-Oh cards. If you haven't checked out my Yumo channel, well, this will be on my Yumo channel as well. Not this video, but my videos. Please check out my card makings as well for the Legendary Dragons. He's making. He'll tell you for himself as well.
It's actually gonna be a surprise. Next video, we'll have a preview of part of the deck I'm making. So far, I only have 10 so far made. So yeah.
Of course, his name's Link.
You are fated to have a hand in great destiny, and it will soon find you. The time has come for you to awaken. Link. Okay then. Rude. Hey, sleepyhead. I know how much you like to sleep in, so I'm guessing this letter will be your alarm clock this morning. Did I guess right? Rise and shine, Link. Today's the wing ceremony. You promised to meet me before it starts. Remember? You better not keep me waiting, Zelda. Okay then. Okay then. So we're gonna start. Let's see what's in here. For 5 rupees.
That's nice.
Yay, I'm not poor. Yay.
I should go help that guy right there. He deserves to get help.
Why is he touching the barrels? Why does he need to do that?
If you guys want to read it, please pause the videos so you guys can read it.
Well, I'll just read it. Oh, thanks. I didn't think you had time to help me out, Link. No problem. Really? Thanks. Okay, so I need you to picked one up. Well, you can roll small items like pots by holding your Wii remote down and swinging it. But we'll get and use trouble if any of these barrels break. So don't even think about throwing a roller on. If you forget any of this, just press 2. That'll bring up the explanation of actions available to you at the moment in time. Pretty handy, huh? I guess. Let me hold the barrel. Well, I guess I look like Donkey Kong now. So I'm gonna put it down. Pick it back up. And keep on moving forward.
The kitchen. You gotta go to the kitchen.
First, we need to find the kitchen.
Right there.
Well, anyways, I'm trying to be strong anyways. What's all this? I thought I told Flex to carry that. It's just probably for the best. That's getting boy what I probably got in Flex. Well, that's nice. Say, don't you have some important ceremony or some such today? Well, thanks for the help.
Hey Cody, I think they can pause it to read it, so we can just move on in the story. Don't you?
I guess, but I'm just trying to be nice.
I know, but still.
You got a regular ruby, it's worth 20 rupees. So now I'm even more rich. Like I said. Wrong one.
Oh, it's Cody doing the bathroom.
Okay, I think this looks like an exit. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I heard that there's something coming out for the 3DS. People are saying that a remake of Ruby and Sapphire are coming out, but I don't know.
No.
Monkey.
Oh, guys, this is gonna happen again like last time. Ow.
Ah. Why did you do this, Link? Why would you touch those barrels?
The barrels, it hates them. And right now it's getting to It's at 10 minutes and 8 seconds right now. Just telling you that, Cody.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna stop the video like every 12 minutes. Like, we'll stop it at like 12 minutes. So that's Dorning. Wow, that guy looks a lot like Zelda. Worst enemy. I really want to say this, but I guess because I have to, I guess I'll do that. I wouldn't if I didn't have to. I just wouldn't. Oh. This is why. I'm not very good at being a monkey. Really? Here it goes again. Oh gosh. Sorry about this, guys. I guess Link doesn't like me, I guess. See, he's just so lazy. He's just scratching. Slapping. Leap. I did it.
I'm hoping and pray that you guys can see the whole game, so yeah, I'm looking through my camera as well, see if it's okay. It looks like I can see the whole game as well, because I see the rupees, I see the map and everything, I see the hearts, so yeah, and I see Link, of course. Link is always there.
Right after we save this cat, this will be the end. Okay, now I'm satisfied. No!
It's just funny how Cody's just screwing up.
Well, guys, I guess we'll have to see if we can ever rescue this cat in the next episode. See you later. Bye.